Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Ring pan tilt camera. So the first reason is the pan tilt action is super cool. So when you're doing a live view, you can click on this little cursor down here and now I can turn the camera. I can go up, down, and it's going to follow accordingly. That is really, and it's very accurate. Now the second reason is this is for indoor or outdoor. As long as I got my plug on up here, I've got this cable plugged in, I can put this pan tilt camera outdoor. And it comes with a really long cord. This is a 15-foot cord that I can plug into this power adapter. I'm simply going to take this off. This is for indoor use. And then I slide this one on. This cable's already 8 feet long. Now I've got an extra 15 feet. For a pan tilt camera that I could put outside or inside. And that was reason number 3, the really long cord. So I absolutely love this pan tilt camera. It's super quiet. It does come with a wall mount. You can mount it on the wall. Again, indoor or outdoor, 15 feet and 8 feet long cable. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.